This is a demo of the ShearCAD footings. We're going to do two styles of footings. We're going to do the footing pad first, followed by the continuous footings. Here's the footing pad, F-pad. You see the inputs, this is from the manual, and you see the different inputs. Basically, you give the width and length, quantity of bars. Either give the quantity of bars or the spacing of the bars, one or the other. And your clearances, put your hooks on if you're going to have hooks on the top or bottom bar. It assumes you're going to do 90s, but you can do 90s, 180s, or 135s. You see where it says hook type? 0 is 90, 1 is 180, and 2 is 135. You're going to have standees, bar size 4, every 4 foot. Type 26. We're going to set a 2 in here so that it not only draws the outline of the structure, but draws the bars in it. So there it's drawing your footing pad. Now we're going to do a text call out. You see down here it says double click here if you want to do a text call out. That's what we want to do. Footing pad. There's many different formats. Here's a quantity, size, marker, length. It's a nice compact format, doesn't take up a lot of room in the drawing. Draws your boxes around it, heading and boxes and so forth. So ShearCAD detailers tell me this is a function they're using a whole lot. Footing pad. Now let's try the continuous footing. We have 3 styles. We're going to go with the style 3, general style. We also have preferences. Style 2 is like a block wall. And style 1 would be like a metal wall building. But they're very similar in the inputs. It's 4x3 on the 4 foot width on the footing, 3 foot depth, 3 number 4s top, 4 number 5s bottom bar. We're going to have a dowel each face. Number 4s for the dowels spaced every 12 inches. The wall thickness is just for the way it's going to look in the drawing. This is very important. Length of wall, more importantly, length of footing, 102 foot. Optional wall height. This is the projection above the footing of the dowel, where it says BC dowel project. Let's go back up to that one. It's 4 feet. You can have an optional keyway, which is a rectangular trench the full length of the footing. In our case, we're not going to have that keyway. So you see it draws the view of the footing. And, whoops, it overlaid on our footing pad. So we're going to move it. We'll move it down a little bit. Okay, so you see the little circles with the plus or cross in it. That is representing the top and bottom continuous bars. There's a nice call out. Heading and boxes drawn around the call out. And that's the end of our ShearCAD footings demo.